Ultimate World Cruise Tea Time. I'm John, your virtual world cruiser. It's day 98. I have a headache. Let's talk. This afternoon, I was lucky enough to get invited to join Chrissy, 50 and Cranky, on her live stream. In her lovely live, we had Christ-dion stop by, as well as Papa Joe stopped in to say hello and to take over the stream for a few seconds while Miss Chrissy got her new earrings on. In her live, we learned that Christian and Mark Sebastian are both currently suspended until March 21st. Christian, because of his Speedos, his, bungee smugglers, and Mark Sebastian, we still don't know why. I keep telling him, both of them, y'all need to appeal. Let's fight these ridiculous suspensions. Oh, and if y'all have not heard, someone broke the dryer on, I do believe it's deck 8, by putting their van shoes in the dryer. No shoes in the dryer. This is what happens when you do that. Things get broken. We also learned that the rules of engagement for the laundry room war, that's a tongue twister, have been set up and agreed upon. So let the battles commence. Or as Tam said, it's not going to be a battle, it's going to be a victory. Chrissy's lovely flockers came up with some interesting ideas. One of them was we need to set up a Facebook group for Christian Hull and Chrissy 50 and Cranky flockers. So I'm in the process of setting that up. I will share the link as soon as I have it all configured correctly. So yesterday I mentioned a fashion show, a poolside fashion show that we need to get going on this cruise. Well, a flocker came up with an idea to expand on that. We do a collab, well, they do a collab with the onboard shop. We get some of the merchandise that they have into the fashion show. I think that would be an awesome way to motivate them to approve and help out getting this to happen. So, Adidas, other Ultimate World cruisers, if you want to talk to people, poke at them, let's talk to the cruise director, hospitality department. Let's get this going. And to the 40 flockers who started following me, thank you very much for joining me on my adventure of following and tracking the Ultimate World cruise, reporting on all of the ongoings on board, the tea, the drama, everything. Thank you very much, and I do hope that you enjoy my content that I have made and that I'll be making in the future. I do believe that is all for me. My Instacart order has arrived, and I'm going to go grab that, put it up, make some food. Hopefully this headache goes away and the Excedrin kicks in and the food helps. I hope everyone has a fantastic rest of your morning, your afternoon, your evening, and I will talk to y'all again tomorrow.
9-month world cruise around the world cruise top Royal Caribbean Serenade of the Seas Tea Time Ultimate World Cruise.